Welcome back to NK Car, your trusted channel for everything about luxury and performance cars. If you love the sound of power, the look of perfection, and the touch of pure class, you're in the right place. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for all the latest updates from the world of high-end automobiles. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the all-new 2026 Mercedes Maybach SL680. This next-generation masterpiece has officially been unveiled, and it's redefining what we call automotive luxury. The SL680 isn't just another grand tourer. It's a statement of craftsmanship, performance, and pure elegance. The first thing that catches your eye is the stunning exterior design. Mercedes Maybach has taken the timeless SL silhouette and elevated it with a new sense of presence. The long hood, sleek proportions, and signature Maybach chrome detailing give it an aura of sophistication that turns every head on the street. The new Panamericana grille with vertical chrome slats glows proudly at the front, while the adaptive LED digital lights enhance both the look and visibility. Every line on this car flows smoothly. It's not just designed, it's sculpted. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach SL680 packs a monster. A handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine that delivers a breathtaking 700 horsepower and 950 Nm of torque. That means you're not just driving. You're commanding a powerhouse that accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.5 seconds. The performance is smooth, refined, and brutally fast. Exactly what you'd expect from a car that carries both the Mercedes and Maybach badges. The 9-speed automatic transmission has been tuned for absolute precision, and the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip on any surface. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking on high-speed highways, the SL680 offers unmatched control, stability, and comfort. The new generation also features an adaptive air suspension system that automatically adjusts to the road, giving you a magic carpet-like experience every time you hit the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like a 5-star suite on wheels. Every surface is wrapped in hand-stitched Napa leather, with exquisite wood and metal trims that reflect Maybach's attention to detail. The new Maybach exclusive seats are not just luxurious, they're intelligent, with heating, cooling, and massage functions that adjust according to your body posture. The ambient lighting offers over 200 color combinations, giving you the freedom to create your own mood inside this rolling palace. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the 12.8-inch OLED infotainment system running the latest MBUX software, offering seamless control through voice commands or touch. You also get a fully digital driver's display, a premium 4D Burmester sound system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even fragrance customization for that signature Maybach scent experience. Mercedes has also equipped the 2026 SL680 with cutting-edge safety and autonomous features, including lane change assist, adaptive cruise control, traffic jam assist, and a 360-degree AI-based parking system. The technology doesn't just protect you, it understands you. With its combination of elegant design, next-level performance, and unmatched comfort, the new 2026 Mercedes Maybach SL680 stands as a perfect blend of power and prestige. It's a grand tourer that doesn't just take you places, it defines how you arrive. If you're someone who loves innovation wrapped in elegance, the SL680 is the car that sets new standards for luxury and performance in the modern era. This is NK Car, your destination for the world's most exclusive car unveilings. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want more updates on the latest supercars and luxury machines from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where luxury meets innovation. Only on NK Car. Description: explore the official unveiling of the next generation 2026 Mercedes Maybach SL680.